Do you believe it? This brickmaking machine is truly a treasure of Pakistan. If I tell you, you might not believe it. This is actually handcrafted. It uses waste materials and is assembled piece by piece. The technique and creativity, I don't admire anyone, just Pakistan. First, we need to find some scrap steel. These things might be trash to others, but in the hands of Pakistanis, they can become treasures. Weld these steel pieces together, and they become the main beam of the brick machine. This beam is the backbone of the entire machine. This beam is very sturdy. Extremely sturdy. Next, we need to work with a large round pipe. Draw a straight line. Then cut it with plasma. Divide it into two. Two round pipes will be welded together, parallel. After welding, place them between the beam. Fix them tightly. This is technical work. It cannot be careless. On these two halves of the pipe, we also need to weld several steel plates. Assemble them into a trapezoidal funnel. This funnel is the mouth of the brick machine. The mud will enter here. Next, another technical task. We need to make a circular handle. Cut a groove with plasma. Then use a machine to slowly bend it. After several changes in voltage, this handle becomes a spiral shape. This spiral part is the system core of the brick machine. The mud will pass through here. The spiral part, after being pressed, is installed onto a shaft. Weld it firmly. Each part is connected from start to end. Assemble to the end. Thus, a screw conveyor machine has been created. This conveyor machine is the crucial tool to feed mud into the mold. At the bottom of the inclined entrance, we need to install another screw conveyor machine. Use a round pipe to connect the screw fan to the funnel. This is an extremely meticulous task. It can't be done carelessly. Then we need to take some round steel plates. Spread them on the ground. Drill a hole in the center of each steel plate. Place these plates on the drill table and clamp them tight. Start drilling holes. This way we can drill in one go to make the holes in the correct positions. All holes are uniform. Weld a bearing at the central hole position. The surrounding area needs additional reinforcement. Place these round steel plates on a shaft. The bearing will be on the outside. Then push it onto the main beam. Push two steel plates into the middle and bend them. The cut steel plate will be made into a groove. Place the two grooved steel bars into the mold and clamp them tightly. Weld them together. This is the brick mold. Place the brick molds into the wheel. Secure them with screws. Assemble fully in 360 degrees. When spinning, it is very smooth. We still need to make the gearbox. Connect all the shafts together. Install the rear axle onto the beam. Connect it to the motor. Install a board onto each brick mold. This board will push the brick out when finished. Actually, this machine is quite complex. The mechanical parts and gears combine together, overwhelming the viewer. But when it works, its performance and precision are truly impressive. Finally, spray paint. Use a tractor as the engine to connect. One side feeds in the clay. The tractor runs. On the other side, beautiful bricks are produced. This process is like magic. Put it in. Bricks come out. This brick-making machine represents the entrepreneurial intellect of Pakistan, friendship, dedication, and the wisdom of a simple life. It's not just a brick-making tool, but also a representation of life's intellect. Although this machine is complex, it teaches us that as long as we are willing to act, willing to think, we can create wonderful things for ourselves.